Hi friends, welcome to Steno-Type YouTube channel. Ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to preside over this conference of ministers of state governments in charge of social welfare and the presidents of welfare associations in the country. After the country became independent, the state and central governments have been making provision in their budgets every year and spending large sums of money for this purpose. While governments are at liberty to plan and spend for essential items of expenditure such as defense, they have to take into account the economy of the family as the basis for planning. The government should consider the problems faced by the people and spend the revenues for their welfare. It should always be remembered that healthy and happy citizens are the real assets of the nation. I would like to point out that the government and the welfare associations should see that children are grown in healthy conditions and are also given the right type of education as the boys and girls of today are the future citizens of the country. Especially the government should take care of the boys and girls in poor families. If these children are not taken proper care of right from the beginning, they will become a problem to the society. Starting of a number of welfare homes for such children will go a long way in this direction. Another important matter is the welfare of women. If we give education to a girl, it will amount to educating a family. In the same manner, girls should be given their proper place in the family and in the country. Welfare associations therefore have a very important role in abolishing dowry system for the healthy development of the society as a whole. In conclusion, I wish your deliberations in this conference to give fruitful results. Thank you. Dear Thus, we are to inform you that the goods ordered on the 10th March are just to hand. We would point out that considering the school season rush, you should have been quick in sending the goods. Further, on opening the parcel, we find that 6 ladies' umbrellas and 10 leather purses were short supplied. Kindly dispatch them with our next supply. We shall be glad if you will quote us your latest prices for ladies' vanity bags and students' school bags. Please note that if the prices are lowest and deliveries are firm, we can do a large business in this lane. Please supply your latest illustrated catalogs and price lists in large quantity. Thanking you, yours faithfully.